MooveSharing makes the fleet smarter by enabling a valuable asset shareable among your drivers in a far more efficient, integrated, and user-friendly manner. Our engineers have worked hard to give the best experience while keeping your total cost of ownership low.
The beauty of our solution is there's absolutely no adoption effort on your part. No key programming, no damage, no access to your vehicle DAN bus. The installation is effortless and non-invasive. All you require is just the Bluetooth to be enabled. That's it.
Using MooveSharing is very simple. Invite your drivers on MooveSharing platform. The driver can confirm upon your invitation and download the app from Play Store or App Store on his mobile phone. He can then reserve a car in the app. Go near to the car, unlock it, and take out the key from the box. And this works even in underground parking, where you hardly have access to internet. Isn't that amazing? When he is done with driving, he can simply put back the key in the box tap lock on the app. That's it. And if you need to book for your driver, we've got that covered too. Simply go to your MooveSharing platform, choose your driver and dates to look for available cars, and click book.
MooveSharing is integrated with the Move Cloud ecosystem, which hosts multiple connected products and services. For instance, you can additionally opt for connected maintenance product, which integrates and automates the service and maintenance of your vehicles.
So why wait for another second? Get MooveSharing today.